Once upon a time, there was a very fast hare and a very slow tortoise. The hare always laughed at the tortoise because he was so slow. All the animals were tired of listening to the hare. Then one day, the tortoise surprised them all.
Let's have a race tomorrow, then. Huh?
The next day, when they started the race, the hare jumped forward. Very soon, he was far ahead of the tortoise. It was a very sunny day, and the hare was very hot.
There's a tree. I can rest under it.
A few hours later, the tortoise passed the sleeping hare. Suddenly, the hare opened his eyes and looked around. He saw the tortoise at the finish line.
Huh?
The tortoise was the winner.
Yay!
The hare learned his lesson that day. Keep on going and don't stop until you cross the finish line.